Welcome. If you love discovering new ways to boost productivity and creativity, you're in the right place. Here we break down AI tools that save time, simplify tasks, and help you build smarter habits, all explained in a clear and beginner-friendly way.
I'm going to be honest, this might be one of the cleanest AI research tools I've used in a long time. No clutter, no overwhelming dashboards, just straight up answers, sources, and a surprisingly smooth experience. This is Perplexity, and if you've been frustrated with search lately, this is worth seeing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I test tools, platforms, and software that actually make learning and researching easier, without fluff. Today, we're diving into Perplexity, an AI-powered research and discovery tool that blends search, answers, and real-time sources into one interface. I've been exploring it, clicking around the features, and I want to show you exactly how it feels to use. At its core, Perplexity is a search and answer engine, but it doesn't feel like traditional search. Instead of 10 blue links and guessing which one is correct, you type a question, and Perplexity responds with a clear, structured answer backed by visible sources. What stood out to me immediately is how calm the interface feels. There's no distraction. You land on a simple Ask Anything screen, and that's exactly what you do. If you've ever searched for something online and ended up opening 15 tabs just to confirm basic information, you'll understand the problem Perplexity is trying to solve. This tool reduces friction. Instead of searching, skimming, cross-checking, and repeating, Perplexity summarizes, explains, and cites everything in one place. It feels like having a research assistant that already did the cleanup for you. Looking at the screenshots, the layout is extremely clean. On the left sidebar, you've got things like history, discover, spaces, and different topic categories. The discover section is especially interesting. It's not random news, it's curated, timely topics with summaries. When I clicked through it, it felt more like browsing a smart feed than scrolling headlines. Everything loads fast, transitions are smooth, and nothing feels over-engineered. Here are a few things that really stood out while using it. 1. Source-backed answers. Perplexity doesn't just give answers, it shows where the information comes from. That adds trust and transparency, especially for learning or research. 2. Follow-up questioning. After you get an answer, you can immediately ask follow-up questions without starting over. It feels conversational, like refining a discussion rather than running new searches. 3. Discover tab. This feels like a mix between news, trends, and research highlights. You can explore topics without even knowing what to search for. 4. Voice mode and input tools. From the interface icons shown, you can type, upload, or interact in different ways, which makes it flexible depending on how you prefer to work. Let's talk pricing, because the screenshot makes this very clear. Perplexity offers 3 plans. Free plan, $0. This gives you access to the core experience with some limits, like fewer uploads and restricted access to advanced models. It's great for casual use or testing the platform. Pro plan, $17 per month, billed annually. This is where things expand. You get higher usage limits, access to advanced AI models, more file uploads, deeper research capabilities, and extended image generation features. Max plan, $167 per month, billed annually. This is clearly for power users. It includes everything in Pro, plus unlimited access to advanced models, higher limits, early access to new features, and priority support. The pricing is transparent, and the differences between tiers are clearly defined, which I appreciate. What surprised me most is how focused Perplexity feels. It doesn't try to be everything at once. It doesn't overwhelm you with buttons or gimmicks. It just helps you get from question to clarity, quickly. It feels less like using a tool and more like having a conversation with a really organized assistant. So that's Perplexity, clean, fast, and genuinely enjoyable to use. If you're curious, check it out, explore the free plan, and see how it fits into your workflow. Let me know in the comments what you'd use it for, and if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one.